Done? Okay, thank you so much. Good morning. Okay. Exercise 2.3 correct? Okay, done. ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಬೇಜಾರು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗಿ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಖುಷಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಿ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ let me solve this. Okay, find the domain. This is very important concept guys, domain and range. Find the domain and range. First one, f of x is equal to minus modulus of x. Second one, f of x is equal to square root of 9 minus x square. Is it okay? Done. Okay. See the question. What do you mean by domain? Tell me. Domain range. Very important concept. I'll tell you guys. Even if you take the trigonometry function, again domain will come. Again range will come. Again, even if you take the inverse trigonometry, again domain will come, range will come. So for that you need to understand punter idea you have to get. Domain and range, okay? So domain ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ನಾವು ಕೊಡುವಂತ ಬೆಲೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ರಿಯಲ್. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಕಡೆಗೆ ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ನಮಗೆ ಬರುವಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನಾವು ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಆ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಾ? ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ. ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ f of x is equal to minus of modulus of x, isn't it? x ನ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಕೊಡಬಹುದು so that this f of x should be real. I can give x is equal to 0. F of x will be 0, it is a real number. X is equal to 1, again f of x is 1, it is a real number. That means in place of x, whatever may be the value you can give so that my f of x is real. Do you agree? Do you agree guys? So clear idea? Okay. Andre enaytu here domain is set of all real numbers, correct? This instead of writing r, when you take the multiple choice, he will give like this. R is nothing but minus infinity to infinity. That is nothing but real line. Both are one and the same. Is it okay? Done. Next, range ಏನೇನು ಬರ್ಬೋದು? ನಾನು x is equal to 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ 0 ಬಂತು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ನಾನು x is equal to 1 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ -1 ಬಂತು. x is equal to -1 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ modulus of -1 will be 1 only, because modulus of x value is plus x and minus x. This is when x is greater than 0, this is when x is less than 0, correct? If I take the x is equal to 0 I should replace here, answer will be 0. If I take x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 is greater than 0, that condition will come here, so that I can replace here, you will get 1. If I keep x is equal to -1 is nothing but you will get the condition x is less than 0. -1 I should replace here, already one more minus sign, minus into minus plus, again you will get 1. Is it okay? Whatever may be the value, you will get positive.
In that condition,
Yeah, this is positive. Is it okay? Yes. But already there is a minus sign. Yes, I did see this minus sign. Okay, there is a minus sign. Because of this minus sign, this value is positive. Again, minus. You will get all the negative values. Is it possible to get positive values? No. So that means range of f is positive real numbers. Okay, positive value will get, sorry, this is minus sign, correct? Minus sign, I thought this is minus sign is not there. Okay, minus sign, negative real numbers you will get, correct? Range of f is negative real numbers, correct? Negative real numbers, how do you write? Including 0. So this is minus infinity to infinity, this will be 0. This entire portion, correct? Entire portion, negative real numbers. Instead of writing sentence negative real numbers, you can write it as minus infinity to including 0 you will get. Is it okay? Right. So okay. ಅವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಬರೀ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಆಫ್ x ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು? ಅದು ಮತ್ತೆ I thought minus sign ಕೊಟ್ಟಲ್ಲ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Have a look on it. Minus sign is given. Question minus sign is given, right? Okay, minus modulus of x, this is the answer. If it is plus modulus of x, set of all real number is the domain. Positive real number is the range. Is it okay? I think you got some idea now. So clear that? There is no problem in the first problem. Okay. See the second problem. Solution for the second one, f of x is equal to square root of 9 minus x square. What does it mean? Domain. First you have to find the domain. Domain ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? x ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಯಲ್ x ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ get my point. x ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ನನಗೆ f of x ರಿಯಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. If I replace the value of x so that I should get f of x is real, correct? In place of x is equal to 0, f of x is real. Square root of 9 will be 3. If I take x is equal to 1, square root of 8 again positive real number. Square root of 8 is a real number. Square 2 if I do 9 minus 4 you will get. In place of x is equal to 2, 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 will be 5. Square root of 5 is irrational number, it is a real number. Okay. In place of x is equal to 3, 9 minus 9, 0. This is a real number. This is a real number. Okay. In place of x is equal to 4 if I keep 9 minus 16 you will get square root of. Correct? Square root of 9 minus 16 which is called imaginary. Negative value which is called imaginary, which is not a real. I should get only real number. Did you get my point? That means more than 3 I should not take. More than 3 I should not take. That means I think previous class also explained.
Should be less than or equal to 3.
Suppose in denominator, okay, different case. Do one thing. Real number I will show later. 9 minus x square, correct? 9 minus x square. In place of 9 minus x square, that should not be negative value. Maybe it is 0. Maybe it is 0. Do you agree with this? So 9 minus x square should be greater than or equal to 0. If it is in the denominator, thinking that this is the function, ಅವಾಗೇನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಈ ಡಿನೋಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 ನು ಆಗಬಾರದು, 0 ಆದರೆ it is not defined so that f of x is not real. Is it okay? Then 9 minus x square is not negative. Correct? In that case, previous class the same question I have taken or 1 divided by same question. Okay. 9 minus x square should be greater than 0. Visualization ಆಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟಾ? Suppose in the denominator, suppose square root of 9 minus x square, this is the condition for the domain. Again for this 9 minus x square greater than or equal to 0 is the condition. Okay? Done. 9 minus x square is greater than or equal to 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? x square is lesser than or equal to 9. Correct? X square is lesser than or equal to 9 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, -3 this is 0. If I take -3 here, 9 lesser than or equal to 9, true it is. Again 2 if I take, 2 square will be 4, 4 is lesser than or equal to 9, it is true. All the values are true including this. Again more than this which is not possible. Is it okay? That means when you write this condition, this implies my x should belongs to including -3, 3. If it is a reverse, you have to think in a different way. Is it okay guys? Is it okay? Do you agree? 100% clear idea? No problem. This is my domain. You can write chanda hing baribodu. Domain is -3, 3. Okay. Domain of the function sometimes it is written as df. -3, 3. ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ. Now comes to range. Range ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಬರುವಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್. Range ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಬರುವಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್. What the answer you will get after giving this? Okay. ನೋಡಿ, when x is equal to -3, what value I get? So this is y is equal to square root of 9 minus x square, correct? What are the possible values you will get for y? See, this is for the different example. Again I repeat, for the different example you have to think in a different way. Domain and range. But basic concept is simple. Domain in the sense ನಾವು ಕೊಡುವಂತ ಬೆಲೆ, range ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಬರುವಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್. That is the basic mantra. Okay? If I give x is equal to minus, I'll get 0 here. 2 square root of 5 will get 0 ಬಂತು, square root of 5 ಬಂತು. Is it okay? If I give 0, 3 I get. Between this there are so many. Root 8 and less than 3. Is it okay? 0 after putting -3 or +3 I'll get 0, correct? After putting 2 I'll get square root of 5. After putting 1 I'll get square root of 8. Correct? After putting 0 I'll get square root of 3. Square root of 9 will be 3. Correct? Then starting value 0, end value 3. ಇದು ಎರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಾಕಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಉಂಟಾ? ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ? we are not substituting any values to get more than this. Is it okay? So clear it is? So clear guys? Yes or no? Write in comment, okay? so that my y will be belongs to, okay, himbari chanda English bari, for x belongs to minus 3 comma 3, y lies in 0 comma 3, right? So therefore range of f is 0 comma 3. Is it okay? Range ಅನ್ನು ಇಂಗೂ ಕರೀತಾರೆ 0 comma 3. So clear? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಲೆಬಿಸಿ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಲೆಬಿಸಿ ಉಂಟು, but this is very interesting. I tell you, very interesting chapter it is. Very interesting. You will enjoy this. Is it okay? Is it okay? Can you go for the next question? This is the answer. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು? Write in comment. Comment really so that I can understand how many of you are understanding. Okay? Done. Can we go for the next question? Understood? Done. Question number 3. A function f is defined by f of x is equal to 2x minus 5. Write down the values of first one f of 0, second one f of 7, third one f of minus 3. A function f is defined by f of x is equal to 2x minus 5. Find f of 0, f of 7, f of minus 3. Okay guys, done. Solution for this is very easy. LKG problem. See guys, I tell you repeatedly, I am telling you, domain and range have a perfect idea in your mind. Domain and range, I'll tell you, domain and range perfect idea. ಯಾವ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರಲಿ ಅಂತ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಕೀಪ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈಂಡ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಗೈಸ್, f of x is equal to 2x minus 5. f of 0 ನೋಡಿ, f of 0 in place of x you have to replace 0. This is called value of the function. 2 into 0 minus 5 which is equal to minus 5. Anybody having problem? No, right? Right. Then go for the second one. Can I write directly? This is panta problem alla. Panta likete unta illala. f of 7 is equal to 2 into 7 minus 5. This is 14 minus 5 which is equal to 9. Is it okay? Then f of minus 3, ella number kodi 1 2, this is 3. f of minus 3, 2 into minus 3, this is minus 5, minus 6 minus 5 which is equal to minus 7. Any problem? Exam barta hai na? Exam barta. Next question, without wasting time, done? A function t, the function t maps temperature in degree Celsius, temperature in degree Celsius into temperature in degree Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit temperature is given by T of C is equal to 9C divided by 5 plus 32. First one, find T of 0. Second one, T of 28. So third one, T of minus 10. Fourth one, the value of C you have to find out. When the value of C, T of C is equal to 212. T of C is equal to 212. Starting question, I will skip typing. T of C is given. Okay. When C is equal to 0, temperature in Celsius, T is equal to 0, T is equal to 32. T is equal to 0, you will get 32, correct? Simple. Can I write direct answer? Nothing is there to explain. Okay guys, enjoying? Done. When C is equal to 0, T of 0 is equal to 9 into 0 divided by 5 plus 32. So T of 0 is equal to 32. Is it okay? So nicely you are understanding. Okay. Then T of 28. 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 You can write guys T of 28. No problem. No problem. T of 28. Then T of minus 10. T of minus 10. Again you can solve T of minus 10. Done. Then we will go for C value. Finding C value. Okay. See, at last writing notes is not possible. Try to maintain notes since the starting class. Okay. Once the regular class starts, first we will check your notes only. When C value you have to find out. When T of C is equal to 212. So T of C is given 9C divided by 5 plus 32, correct? He has given T of C. T of C is 212 is equal to 9C divided by 5 plus 32. You need to find out the value of C. So 212 minus 32 is equal to 9C divided by 5. Correct? ಇನ್ನೂ 12 ರಲ್ಲಿ 32 ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತು? 180. 180 equal to 9C divided by 5. Correct? ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? 0 8 5 40 4 5 900 C. So C is equal to 100. Is it okay? Century. C is equal to century. Is it okay guys? Okay done. Find the range. Find the range of each. First one. F of x is equal to 2 minus 3x. X belongs to R. X is greater than 0. Second one. F of x is equal to x square plus 2. X is a real number. So third one. F of x is equal to x. X is a real number. Find the range. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ರೇಂಜ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿನ ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದು ಬೇಡ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಾ? ಡೊಮೇನ್ is given. X values are nothing but the domain values. Given domain you have to find the range. Without domain we cannot find the range. Okay? Range ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರೋದು, ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೋದು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ he has given. ಭಾಳ ಧ್ಯಾನದಿಂದ ನೋಡಿ. 2 ರಿಂದ 3 ನಿಮಿಷ. X belongs to R. X is greater than 0. Sir, ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we cannot question this because it is given. ಅವನ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಇದು ಡೊಮೇನ್ ತರ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು, ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಬೇರೆ ತರನೇ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನಾವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಆ ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೊಂಡು x is greater than 0. ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೌದು, ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ x is greater than 0 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಲ್ಲ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಎಸ್, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಈ ತರ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. That is the range. Okay, there are two ways you can check it out. There are two ways. Okay, there are two ways. Can we solve in two ways? Either by SLC method. This is y. F of x. F of x is nothing but y. F of x is nothing but y. Okay. When x is equal to greater than 0 ಅಲ್ಲ, greater than 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ 0 ಬಂತು, ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ 1 ಬಂತಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ 2 ಬಂತಲ್ಲ. ಏಕದಮ್ 1 ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ this is not the method. So that clear understanding purpose I am drawing table. Method I will tell you. There is no method at all. X is greater than 0 ಅಲ್ಲ, x is greater than 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏಕದಮ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡೋದು? ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ 0, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ವಿನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳ ಎಂದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. 0.0000001 ತಗೊಳ್ಳ, ಅಷ್ಟಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ. 0.01 ತಗೊಳ್ಳ. when x is equal to 0.01, f of x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2 minus 3 into 0.01, 2 minus 0.03, 1.97. Is it okay? 1.97. 0.0001, 1.99 something you will get. 0.000001, 1.999 you will get. You will not get 2, You will not get 2 because we are not replacing here 0. Get my point? We are not replacing 0. 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 2. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟಾ? We are not getting 2. ಕಡೆಗೆ 0.1 you replace. 0.1 replace. 1.9. 2 minus 0.3 ಅಲ್ಲ 1. ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? 2. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? 0.3 7 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? 1.7 ಓಕೆ. then next now ಈ 1 ಹಾಕಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? 1 ಹಾಕಿ 1 ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 1 ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಬಂತು? 1 ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ -1 ಬಂತ? 2 ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಬಂತು? 2 minus 6 -4 ಬಂತ? 3 ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಬಂತು? 2 minus 9 -7 4 ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಬಂತು? -10 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನಾವು ಈಗ you can conclude ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಡ ಆಯ್ತಾ? as you move these values greater than 0 see this 2 you will not get ಎರಡು ನೋಡಿ 2.0.0001 ಆದಾಗ 2 ಗಿಂತ ಒಂಚೂರು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನಮಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? just less than 2 we'll get the values correct, but the values are decreasing. 2 ಗಿಂತ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ, 2 ಗಿಂತ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೋ ನನ್ನ ರಿಯಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಉಂಟು, ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೋ 0 ಉಂಟು, 1 ಉಂಟು, 2 ಉಂಟು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. 2 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಈ 2 ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು. ಅದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ? ಸೊ therefore range is -infinity to 2 ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ interval ಅಲ್ಲ ಓಪನ್. ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ 2 ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಸೇರ್ತೀರಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟೇನಾ? so clear it is. This is the way. Okay, this is the way of understanding. Is it okay? Right, since we are beginners alla okay. ಈಗ ಜಿಮ್ಮಿಗೆ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಹೋತಿದಂಗೆ 150 kg ಇತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ವಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಬಂಡ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 150 ಅಲ್ಲ 200 kg ಐತಿ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಓಕೆ ಗೈಸ್? ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಓಕೆ? ಓಕೆ ಡನ್. ಸರ್ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾಯ್ತಾ? ಹೇಳ ರೆಡಿ? 2 ನಿಮಿಷ ಭಾಳ ಧ್ಯಾನ ನೋಡಿ. ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಇಸ್ x is greater than 0. ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಇಸ್ x is greater than 0 ನೋಡಿ. ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಇಸ್ x is greater than 0 ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು? f of x ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. f of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? 2 - 3x -x ಉಂಟಾ? ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ -x ಅನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? -x ಅನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ನಾನು -3 ಅನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 0 ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಓಕೆ? then next 2 ಅನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, 2 - 3x is less than 2 ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? this is our f of x is less than 2. f of x ಅನ್ನ ನಮಗೆ ಬರುವಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಮಗೆ ಬರುವಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ less than 2 ಎರಡಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಟ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಉಂಟಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸಪ್ಪನಕಟ್ಟೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸೋಡಿಗೆದ್ದೆ. ನೋ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು ಮೂನ್. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಓಕೆ? less than 2 up to where? up to space. is it okay? less than 2 ಎರಡಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರೀಬೋದಲ್ಲ? is it okay? so easy any problem? ಇದೇ ಖುಷಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಓಪನ್. ಓಕೆ ಡನ್. ಡಬಲ್ circle. ಎಂಟನೇ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಓವರ್. ಎರಡನೇ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್.
f of x is equal to x square plus 2.
ಡೊಮೇನ್
x is a real number.
correct. find the range. anybody connect ಆಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟಾ? ಲೈಟ್ ಉಳಿತಾ ಉಂಟಾ ತಲೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ? find the range. x is a real number correct. ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಉಂಟಾ?
Sir, x is a real number.
x is a real number, so what? in place of x, but the value we are getting is always positive just because x square it is. Is it okay? range ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದವರಾ? domain is given already. Okay, run. Okay, ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. table ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಲ್ಲ ರಗಳೆ ಬೇಡ. This is the old method, 1947 method. This is the old 1947 method. Nobody is using now. Okay, just understanding. When x is equal to 0,
2,
when x is equal to 1,
3,
when x is equal to minus 1, 3 only will get. When x is equal to 2,
6,
when x is equal to minus 2, correct alla? As you increase the values, here the values are positive increasing, starting with 2, starting with 2, starting with 2, okay? Any value you can give. Root 2 you just replace. Root 2 square will be 2, 2 plus 2 will be 4. Between this somewhere here we get. Starting with 2, it is very clearly. Clear uttala? Why Kattappa killed Bahubali? It is very clearly. Is it okay? It is very clearly f of x should be belongs to 2 comma up to infinity. Is it okay? Is it okay? So clearly you are understanding, guys? Any problem? Is it clear? Any problem it is? So easily? Okay, done. Can I remove this? Next.
f of x is equal to x. X is a real number.
F of x is equal to x.
X is a real number.
X is a
Real number.
real number. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಹೇಳಿ. ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸರ್ ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಮತ್ತಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು. ಡೊಮೇನ್ is given. X is a real number. Correct? What may be the range? What may be the range? Same real number you will get. Right? Sir, already we have studied this function. This is called identity function.
What we give?
Correct? What are the values? Yes, very nice. What are the values you are giving? Same we are getting. That is called identity function. Done alla? Both the domain and range are okay. Done. Is it okay? Okay. Can we move to next question? Okay. 2.3 completed. Miscellaneous. Miscellaneous. First one. Let R be the set of all real numbers. Define the real function f from R to R by f of x is equal to x plus 10. Define the real function. Define and so on. And draw this graph, sketch the graph. Sketch the graph. Sketch the graph ಅನ್ನೋದು already you have studied in SLC. Y is equal to x plus 2. You are not taken in SLC. You are taken, right? If you have any problem with this, there is my video available in YouTube. Concept was linear equation. Have you studied linear equation SLC? Linear equation. There is my video in YouTube. It is available. Okay, for SLC 10th standard. Okay, no problem. Don't worry. Here function is from R to R, real number to real number. Okay. Here the function is from R to R, real number to real number. Domain is real number. Range is real number. Allah. Domain is real number. Range is real number. Allah. Domain is real. Codomain is real. Range you have to find out. Is it okay? Let's see. By f of x is equal to x plus 10. Okay. X plus 10. Now, can we start now to draw the graph? First of all, you want to check whether it is a graph or function or not. You want to check this? Yes, given it is a function. You want to check? Can we check? When x is equal to 0, f of 0 is what? 10. When x is equal to 1, 11. When x is equal to minus 1, 9. When x is equal to 2, 12. When x is equal to minus 2, 8, and so on. Sagala. And so on. It is a function. Huh? It is a function. You can check it out. F from R to R. Correct? F is a function from R to R. Okay. This is 0. When x values are 0, y value will be 10. Here it will get 10. 0 is mapped to 10. Is it okay? This is x value, and it is y value. What do you get? F of x is equal to y, correct? Can I cut down the line? Then when x is equal to 1, this is 11. When x is equal to minus 1, it is 9. When x is equal to 2, it is 12. Note it. 1. Every value of the first set associated with a single element of the second set. Match actual. That means it is a function. We don't want this. Yes, given it is a function. So, creativity is over. Is it okay? Yeah. You have to draw the graph. It is my x and it is my y. It is my y dash and it is my x dash. Okay. When x is equal to 0, see this. When x is equal to 0, y will be 10. Correct Allah? When x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12. 11, 12. Here is 12, correct? Okay. When x is equal to 0, y will get that necessary point. Correct? Okay, ma? This is 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. ಇಲ್ಲ ಲೆಂದಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಉದಾಹರಣೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎರಡು ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಬೋತ್ ಎರಡು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಸೇಮ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ. when x is equal to 0 y will be 10. when x is equal to 0 y will be 10. This is the point. when x is equal to 1 y will be 11. somewhere here you will get. when x is equal to minus 1 y will be 9. here you will get. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಆಯ್ತಾ. when x is equal to 2 y will be 12. ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ. when x is equal to minus 2 this is minus 8. when x is equal to minus 2 this is 8. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? is it okay? correct. when x is equal to minus 10 y will be 0. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೋ minus 10 ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. you will get a graph like this. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ minus 10 ಅಲ್ಲಿ. do you agree guys? do you agree? this point is what? 0, 10, correct? this point is what? minus 10, 0, correct? is it okay? entire solution we got, right? so ಈಗ okay, graph is clear. No problem with the graph. Note it. What is the domain and range? Domain is set of all real numbers. Correct? Range you will get also. Set of all real numbers only you will get. There is no question of positive because it is not a square. Correct? Iga one nodi innondu I want to convince you. This function is called linear function. Variable ತಲೆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಬಂದ್ರೆ it is a linear function. Whatever you have studied in SLC, that is all function of real linear functions. Whatever we have taken linear pair of linear equation only. y is equal to x plus 2, y is equal to 3x plus 4. ಹಿಂಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? x ಅಂತ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದೇ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ that is all called linear function. x 1 10 this is called linear function. This is called linear function. Linear function. Okay? General linear function ಹೆಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ? I'll remove this. General linear function is y is equal to mx plus c. General linear function is y equal to mx plus c. Is it not of the form y is equal to mx plus c? You might have asked the question, sir, what is m? M is nothing but slope here. You will get in straight line. Okay, don't worry. C is nothing but y intercept. And right now, you don't worry about m and c. Okay? Y equal to mx plus c, which is of the form x plus 10. Correct? Where m is 1, c is 10. Okay? Y equal to mx plus c is called linear function. Linear function. Is it okay? Is it okay? When there is a linear function, keep in mind, always graph you will get straight. straight graph you will get. Is it okay? Okay, done. Let R be a relation from Q to Q defined by R is equal to A comma B. A comma B belongs to Q and A minus B belongs to Z. Show that first one, A comma A belongs to R for all A belongs to Q. Second one, A comma B belongs to R implies B comma A belongs to R. A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R implies A comma C belongs to R. Just I will give the idea, 1-2 minutes I take. Let R be a relation from Q to Q. It is not a function, it is a relation he has given. Just a name is relation, R be a relation. Correct or not? From Q to Q, defined by R is equal to A comma B. A comma B belongs to Q and A minus B belongs to Z. Show that A comma A belongs to R for all A belongs to Q. Notice, here the given R is equal to, we'll go little fast. You may not understand this. Next class will take. Okay. R is equal to A comma B. R equal to A comma B. A comma B andre A minus B belongs to Z. Aita. ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? A comma B ಅನ್ನೋದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು. What is the meaning of this? A comma B belongs to R. ಇದು ಒಂದು ರಿಲೇಶನ್. ರಿಲೇಶನ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ? A minus B belongs to Z ಅನ್ನೋದು A minus B ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ರಿಲೇಶನ್. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಹೌದಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ. A comma A belongs to R, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಈಗ ನಾನು A comma B belongs to R ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ರೆ A minus B belongs to Z ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? A comma A ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? A minus A belongs to Z ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು. ಇದು ಹೌದಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ. 0 belongs to Z. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? That means this is true. Whatever given it is true. You understood guys? Then ಈಗ A comma B belongs to R ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? A minus B ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಂಟಿಜರ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಈಗ 3 minus 4 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಂಟಿಜರ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? Is it not 4 minus 3 is an integer? A minus B ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಆದ್ರೆ B minus A ಕೂಡ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? ನೋಡಿ, A minus B belongs to Z ಅನ್ನೋದಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು A comma B belongs to R ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. A comma B ಅನ್ನೋದು ರಿಲೇಶನ್ ಅದ ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾ? B minus A belongs to Z ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? B comma A belongs to R ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? Is it okay? So easy, right? Question ಅಷ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಉಂಟು, but you understand in a very easy way. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದೆರಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟನ, you need to prove this, implies you need to prove this, correct? A comma B belongs to ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? A comma B belongs to R ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ಇದು ಇಂಟಿಜರ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? B minus C ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? You need to prove A comma C belongs to R. ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? A minus C belongs to Z ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? A comma C belongs to R ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯುವುದಾದ್ರೆ A minus C belongs to Z ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ? This is an integer. 4 is an integer. 3 is an integer. 4 plus 3 equal to 7 is an integer. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? Integer plus integer is always integer, correct? ನಾನೀಗ A minus B plus B minus C, this is integer, it is given. Integer plus integer is always an integer. Okay? A minus B plus B minus C, and is it not A minus C? Is it not A minus C belongs to Z? Correct? If A minus C belongs to Z, then can I write A comma C belongs to R? Maybe it went fast. Okay? Don't worry. The same problem we'll discuss in next class. Okay? Thank you so much guys. Have a super day. Thank you.